What a beautiful day at Paris Air Show today. And GE-powered military hardware are at display here. They have two F-16, they have one Poseidon, they have Apache, they have a Black Hawk, and you will see all of these are powered by GE engines. However, I'm going to focus on the F-16. The F-16s have been produced by General Dynamics since 1976, but now it's known as Lockheed Martin. Originally, all the F-16s were powered by Pratt & Whitney F-100 engine. As the aircraft needed more power and more versatility, the Great Engine War began and GE engine became a big player. 4,500 of these planes have been produced, and GE has won majority of those engines since the Great Engine War.